Before we start today's unbelievable coin discovery, make sure you subscribe to CoinZF and turn on the notification bell, because the coin you are about to see shocked collectors across the world. Many people spent this coin like ordinary pocket change without realizing it could hide an incredible story and a value collectors dream about. Today we are talking about the famous R1 coin from South Africa dated 1999, a coin surrounded by mystery, collector excitement, and unbelievable rumors in the rare coin market. Imagine opening an old drawer, finding a dusty coin, and suddenly discovering that the same piece has made headlines among collectors. That is exactly why people over the age of 50 are becoming deeply interested in coin collecting again. Coins are not just metal. They are history, memory, and sometimes hidden treasure. The South African R1 coin has always been respected for its strong design and national importance. The 1999 version became especially interesting because many collectors believe some rare examples were struck differently, preserved in extraordinary condition, or connected to limited minting varieties that are extremely difficult to locate today. When this coin first entered circulation in South Africa, nobody expected it to become part of collector conversations decades later. People used it for groceries, transport, tea shops, and daily shopping. Some coins became scratched and damaged through years of use, while a few remained untouched in beautiful condition. Those preserved coins are the ones that now attract attention from collectors worldwide. The design of the R1 coin itself already makes it special. On one side, collectors admire the elegant national symbols connected to South African identity and heritage. The details represent pride, independence, and the country's rich history. Older collectors especially enjoy coins like this because they remember the era when these coins circulated heavily in everyday life. Now here is where the excitement truly begins. Not every 1999 R1 coin is valuable. Most are ordinary circulation coins worth only face value or slightly more. But certain examples become highly desirable because of condition, minting differences, and collector demand. The rarest versions are the ones that experts examine carefully under magnification. Collectors often search for sharp edge details, unusual strike patterns, off-center impressions, double markings, and coins that somehow escaped circulation entirely. These tiny details can completely transform the market value of a coin. One small minting mistake can turn a normal coin into a collector obsession. Many viewers watching today may already have old South African coins stored somewhere at home, perhaps inside a wooden box, an old wallet, or a forgotten family collection. This is why coin hunting has become so popular among older generations. It combines history, curiosity, and the excitement of discovery. Some collectors spend years searching for a perfect 1999 R1 coin with strong shine, original luster, and almost no wear. The condition of a coin is one of the biggest reasons prices rise dramatically. A coin preserved in mint condition is far more desirable than one heavily damaged from years of circulation. Professional grading companies also play a major role in the coin market. When a rare coin receives a high-grade certification, collectors become even more interested. These grading services examine every scratch, shine, and detail. Even a tiny difference in quality can change a coin's value by thousands of dollars. What makes the 1999 issue even more fascinating is the number of stories surrounding hidden collections. Some people claim they discovered rare examples inside inherited coin albums from parents and grandparents. Others found them accidentally while cleaning old houses. These stories continue to attract viewers and collectors because they create hope that treasure may still be hiding in ordinary places. The older generation understands this excitement more than anyone else. They grew up during times when coins had meaning. Every coin represented hard work, family life, and memories from decades past. Today, those same coins connect history with potential wealth. Another reason collectors love the South African R1 coin is its strong international recognition. South African coins have earned respect among collectors because of their beautiful designs and historical significance. As global interest in African coins increases, demand for older R1 coins continues growing. Rare coin markets work in surprising ways. Sometimes a coin becomes valuable because very few survive in excellent condition. Other times collectors chase unusual minting errors or limited varieties. In some cases, internet attention alone causes collector demand to rise quickly. Imagine the excitement when a collector finally discovers a rare variation after years of searching. That moment creates a powerful emotional connection. It is not only about money. It is about achievement, patience, and history. Coin collecting is also one of the few hobbies where learning never stops. Every year, new discoveries appear. Experts continue studying old coins, identifying hidden varieties, and uncovering forgotten mint details. This constant mystery keeps collectors engaged for decades. Many people over 50 now enjoy coin hunting because it brings back memories of simpler times. They remember carrying coins daily, hearing the sound of metal change in their pockets, and saving special coins from circulation. Those memories make collecting deeply personal. The 1999 1 Rand coin represents more than currency. It represents a moment in South African history. Every scratch and mark tells a story of travel, trade, and human experience. Coins survive wars, economic changes, family generations, and political transitions. That survival gives them emotional power. Collectors often use magnifying glasses and special lights to inspect coins carefully. Tiny differences invisible to the naked eye can completely change collector value. Some rare coins show doubled text, unusual edges, or slight design shifts caused during mint production. The excitement becomes even greater when rumors spread about extremely rare examples entering auctions. Stories of valuable coins always attract public attention because people dream of finding one themselves. This dream keeps millions of collectors searching through jars, drawers, and inherited collections every day. One important lesson for collectors is never to clean old coins aggressively. Cleaning may damage the original surface and reduce collector value significantly. Experienced collectors prefer natural aging and authentic appearance. Even small scratches from improper cleaning can hurt value badly. Storage is also important. Serious collectors protect coins inside holders or albums to prevent damage from moisture and fingerprints. Coins preserved properly over many years often become the most valuable examples later. Many retired individuals now enjoy coin collecting because it combines relaxation with intellectual curiosity. Searching for rare dates, studying history, and discussing discoveries with other collectors creates a rewarding hobby experience. The South African 1 Rand coin from 1999 continues attracting attention because collectors believe rare examples still exist unnoticed in circulation or private collections. That possibility creates excitement every single day. Older viewers especially appreciate stories involving forgotten collections discovered after decades. These discoveries remind people that history often hides in ordinary places. A simple coin may carry enormous significance without anyone realizing it. Coin auctions also create intense excitement. When collectors compete for rare pieces, prices can rise dramatically. Emotional bidding sometimes pushes values far beyond expectations. This is why headlines about valuable coins spread quickly online and on television. The 1999 1 Rand coin has become part of that fascinating world. Whether through condition rarity, collector demand, or minting variations, the coin continues generating discussion among enthusiasts. Imagine sitting with your family while checking old coins together. Every coin becomes a small journey into history. Even if you never find a fortune, the experience itself creates meaningful memories. That emotional connection explains why coin collecting remains popular across generations. Some viewers watching right now may already own South African coins without understanding their potential importance. This is why education matters. Learning how to identify dates, mint marks, and unusual features helps collectors avoid missing valuable discoveries. Experts recommend examining coins carefully under bright light. Pay attention to lettering, edges, spacing, and unusual patterns. Sometimes the smallest difference becomes the most important detail. Another fascinating aspect of coin collecting is scarcity. If few examples survive in excellent condition, collector competition increases naturally. Scarcity combined with strong demand creates powerful market prices. Collectors also love the storytelling aspect behind every coin. Who carried it decades ago? Where did it travel? What historical events happened during its circulation? These questions give old coins personality and meaning. The South African Rand series has developed a loyal collector base internationally. Many people appreciate African coinage because it reflects unique culture and national identity often overlooked in global markets. As interest grows, older coins receive more attention from investors and hobbyists alike. Some collectors view coins as historical art pieces, while others see them as long-term investments. Both perspectives help drive demand higher. The 1999 1 Rand coin perfectly fits this growing fascination. It combines nostalgia, mystery, and collector curiosity in one small piece of metal. Imagine finding one hidden inside an old jacket pocket or forgotten family drawer. That possibility keeps collectors searching year after year. Sometimes the greatest treasures appear where nobody expects them. Coin collecting also teaches patience. Serious collectors understand that rare discoveries take time. Searching through thousands of ordinary coins may eventually reveal one extraordinary piece. Many older collectors say the hobby keeps their minds active and connected to history. Studying coins encourages attention to detail, research skills, and appreciation for craftsmanship. The minting process itself is fascinating. During production, even tiny mechanical changes can create rare varieties. These unexpected differences later become collector favorites because they are difficult to reproduce. Some rare coins gain fame after appearing in newspapers, auctions, or collector forums. Once public awareness increases, more people begin searching for similar examples. That increased attention often raises market interest significantly. The 1999 South African 1 Rand coin continues benefiting from this growing curiosity. Collectors worldwide remain interested in discovering unusual examples and preserving them for future generations. For many viewers over 55, coins also represent personal memories of working life, travel, and family experiences. Holding an old coin can instantly bring back forgotten moments from decades ago. That emotional connection makes coin collecting very different from many modern hobbies. Coins are physical pieces of history you can hold in your hand. Some collectors even pass collections down through generations. A simple coin album can become a treasured family heirloom carrying stories from parents and grandparents. As technology changes the world, physical collectibles like coins become even more meaningful. They remind people of real history and human experience beyond digital screens. The excitement around the 1999 1 Rand coin proves that ordinary-looking objects can sometimes become extraordinary. Hidden rarity, collector passion, and historical significance combine to create fascinating stories. Now imagine discovering that one special example collectors dream about. The excitement would be unforgettable. And according to some collector discussions and market rumors, certain extraordinary examples of the 1999 South African 1 Rand coin have been associated with astonishing estimated collector values reaching as high as $8,718.808 in rare premium conditions, turning an ordinary-looking coin into a potential million-dollar conversation piece that continues shocking collectors around the world. If you enjoyed this incredible coin story, subscribe to CoinZF, share this video with fellow collectors, and check your old coins carefully because the next rare discovery could already be waiting inside your own home.